Hey, is this thing on? What's up everybody, my name is Tyler Potts and in today's stream we're going to be continuing on building my portfolio website. So just bear with me 1 second and we will move on to the fun stuff, the stuff where you code a lot and you code stuff and what's going on, the real Dixie, what's going on, Rana, how's it all going guys? I hope you're doing well. I hope you've all brought your drinks. Don't forget to get your water involved. Get everything. Oh, and don't forget your sun cream too. Matt on Twitter just tweeted at me that. Don't forget the sun cream too, guys. All right. I wondered, I could hear myself talking and I realised my phone is right in front of me with the live chat on and I forgot to mute the audio. Whoops, my bad. What's going on, Aaron? How are you doing? I haven't spoke to you in a long time. It's been exactly like, what, 20 minutes? Yeah, so we're going to get started. Let's just switch over. We might as well switch over right now. Also, my chat is no longer. There we go. That's better. Boom. Let's just close that off and come here. Let's swap. Boom. Infinite loop, baby. Let's go to here. So, guys, if you do not remember, we last time on the channel we created this. It was a couple of videos ago. A couple of streams ago. We did all this, and then recently I've added in a few more elements. We actually did 2 streams to get half of this done. And then we added 2 more elements. Yeah, so I added this on the side, as you can see. Wait, is this actually my current live? Is it going to show my actual current live stream? That would be amazing. No, it's not. Damn it. I'm pretty sure these show my latest, if I'm correct. I'm using the API. You know what? We can just go find out, Tyler. Go to the code and let's figure it out. Index.view. Let's scroll down. Where is it here? YouTube embed rel, most branding, 1 or for show. Maybe, video ID. And where do we get that video ID from? YouTube vids, data items, thumbnail, item snippet, data items map. Where do we get this from? Where are we getting this from? Someone tell me. Data.items.map item. Where are we getting data? Oh, there we go. Fetch URL and bam, that is there. So cool. That's fine. Obviously, don't worry about the key being there. It'll be updated and changed soon. There we go. Nice. So that's currently how it's working. Yo, what's going on, Daily Meow? I hope you're all right. I hope you're doing well. So these are my latest 2 videos. Obviously, it's showing. Is this the current? I don't actually know. Come on, tell me the name. Huffer. What is? And then I need a. No, this is an old one. There's an old one. Don't worry about it. We're ignoring that. It's fine. So yeah, so I guess I just might as well get started. There's a few more things I need to do. I actually need to open up Adobe Xd here because this is the platform I use to design the website in. So let's open up portfolio website. It's just full screen, this bad boy. And let's zoom in here. So this is what we're building. This is currently where we're at. There's a few elements missing, a few animations I want to add in. But let's finish off the front bit. So we've got the blog. Where are we currently? Are we at the blog stage? Yeah, we're at the blog. So we're going to be currently doing this area here, which should be nice. So hopefully that's good. The blog. I've named it the blog here, but actually Copilot, by the way, guys, I have Copilot activated, and oh my god, is Copilot amazing. If you wanted me to show off some Copilot AI amazingness, I will. Copilot basically writ all this for me. Check out my blog posts, and it basically did this. I didn't write any of this. I was just messing around with it. But in here, let's go down here. If I go, well, we're in our blog, so if I just go, that's not what I wanted. It's synthesizing, apparently. So go to the end here, and let's just break down. Let's hide this for now. No, we don't need to close off our diff. Blog posts, blog post. Thank you. Bam. Look at it go. It literally, I'm not doing it. It's just doing all of this itself. Now, hey, that's wrong though. But look, bam, it just goes and finishes off a whole blog post for me. Obviously, I'd need to actually make this more valid because, I don't actually have that yet. But I'm currently using the content module inside of NUXT. So you can see I've got posts, and we've got a hello world post here, which is blank. And then I have my projects here. So you see I've got like 3 of the projects I've done. All I've done is using the top bit here for now. It's got a title, a slug, a type, a URL, and a tags. So these are obviously for SEO sort of purposes. The URL is there, you know, so we can link off. The type is a website, because, you know, I basically... Up here, where are we? Oh, wait, what? Where's everything gone? Oh, did I break something? I think I broke something. One sec. No, it should be fixed now. Refresh. There we go. So you can see here, these all get pulled through onto the front end here. So it pulls through from my stuff, and bam, it's on screen. Your website theme colors are so nice. Yo, thanks, Daily Meow. I appreciate it. One day it writes the blog for you. The next, it's planning the Avengers extinction. Yeah, that's literally what Copilot is. It's basically Ultron. It will take over the world. It's insane. Like, I can come in here, right? Let me just write something in here, something crazy. Where are we at? Yeah, just in here. Let's just go. Oh wait. Get random in between 2 numbers. Ready? Yep. So, yep. It's already auto-correcting my mistakes. Boom, boom, boom. Done. There you go. Get a random in, and that's perfect. This is the one I use all the time. Kind of know it off by heart now. But if I ever forgot it, boom, I could just write that, and it would do it for me. It's insane. Copilot is amazing. GitHub, good job. I appreciate your efforts. Shall I implement this portfolio in Tailwind CSS and NUXT JS? Should you implement my portfolio? I mean, I probably wouldn't implement your own, my portfolio in your stuff, but I mean, you can do whatever you want. It'd be cool to see if you want to create your own version of a portfolio. You could do it in NUXT JS and Tailwind. That'd be cool. I don't know how you'd do some of these elements in Tailwind. I mean, I assume you'll just have to do a bit of custom there, but no, it's pretty cool. I like it. So yeah, there we go. So we've got different projects here. Check out all my projects. That'll be a page with links off to with a list of all my projects, not just the top 3 or latest 3. These are actually being pulled in a latest order, which is nice. Stark, yo, what's up, dude? I hope it's going well, dude. I hope you're doing well. We're just getting started. We're just explaining a few things. You know, we're teasing a few things. Okay, so let's do the blog section. So in here, let's scroll up. Section, class, blog. That's fine. Close off this, close off that. Home. So where are we at? So we've got projects here. Let's go scroll all the way down. Learn to code. Yep. And then we need .blogs. Is that where we're at? So we've got learn to code here, and then we've got .blog. Oh, blog. Blog. Yeah, blog makes sense. And then look, Copilot's going to do half the work for me because it already knows what I want. It already knows what I want. Also, like, look, see here, I've got a pattern going on. It goes, let's see, separator, primary, secondary, accent, primary, secondary, right? Now, if I go to add another separator, and if I just said section, and then I went below, oh God, I keep forgetting that's the wrong key bind now, and then I just type in, look, it already knows, it's like, separator, accent. It knows what to do. It's amazing. I love it so much. I'm going to be talking a lot about this all the time because Copilot is just cool. It's so cool. I'm just having so much fun with it so far. Nice. I have exams tomorrow, so I'll probs be lurking. That's cool, Stark. You get prepared for your exams. You make sure you do well. Do you use tab 9 or any other code completion tools? No, I'm using Copilot. GitHub Copilot, a new little beta or alpha. What's it in, guys? Is it in beta, alpha? Who knows? But it's bloody amazing. I love it so much. It's 10 out of 10. I style my blogs. Oh, blob box. Here we go. See what it does. We're just gonna test it. All right, it's really going in here, isn't it? It's paused. Oh, it wants a space. Oh, okay. Just going for it. Look at it. It's like, oh, it's oh wow. That's actually accurate. That's accurate, I think. That's actually kind of how I want it. Oh my God, see? I don't have to do anything ever. It just works. Oh, I think it's actually taking it's taking this here. Yeah, look, it's taking the same styling I have above, which actually correct. So we got project box. Now it's going to be blog box. It's kind of there. It's slightly wrong, you know. It's not perfect. So, I mean, I'm going to have to tidy this up. But it's so cool. Bayo, I've signed up for the trial, but I haven't been whitelisted yet. Yeah, I'm lucky. A lot of people have whitelisted themselves up and some people whitelisted before me, but I got access way before, so I'm just happy. I assume they, you know, I assume some magic has happened there, and boom, I'm in. So I love it. It's great. Okay, so let's actually start this up now, guys. I'm too busy. I'm too excited about this. So let's get late. I need to create some functions here. This isn't neat. This is ugly. Projects. So we're just gonna say get latest projects. Not from the server, just get latest projects. There we go. So that's just pulling in my latest projects there. Get latest videos from YouTube API. I need to actually get a new key, and when I get a new key, I need to actually, well, I need to revoke the current key, because I've showed it on YouTube now. Too late, I already did it. It was too late before I realized that it had the key there. And I also need to pull it in an environment variable. How would I do that, guys? How, give me some insight. How am I putting this in an environment? I know how to do it in Node.js. I know how to do it in most things. How would you do it in NUXT? Would you use like env? Let's Google it, guys. I mean, Copilot. Wait. Copilot. Wait. Let's ask Copilot. Get API key from .env file in NUXT JS. Is that just gonna work like that? Like if I created that, no, Tyler, just go check. Just create a .env file. Wait, it's already there. Wait, is it gonna work? Maybe I tried it and it didn't work. One sec. Let's go. Boop. YouTube API key. Save. Let's go back here. Let's refresh. It works. Okay, so I'm gonna go generate a new API key. I'm gonna hide your guys' faces quickly. We'll go to starting soon screen. Sorry, guys. You know, I gotta be safe. You know, Google APIs. Where am I going here? Google. What's it called? Google Console, right? Google Console. Yo, what's up, Rubri? How's it going? Google Console. Admin. That's where I need to go. It's being rude. It's not helping. Like, come on. Sign in. Yep. I know what I'm doing. .env. Yeah, I could. I'm pretty sure I could. Wait, okay. Console. Google. Play. No, console for Google. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just pressing random keys. Dismiss. How do I get to the console? Google account, Google Developers Console. That's what I want. Why did no one, like, I just couldn't think of what it's called. How's the new portfolio going? I'll show you in a second, Ruby. It's going good. It's looking fantabulous, if I do say so myself. Credentials. Let's go here. API key. Let me just quickly regenerate this. I really need to, like, be right back screen as well. I just realized. Regenerate key. Replace key. Boom, copy new key, close that, go into my .env, paste, save, close. Now if I refresh, hey, it's still working, there we go. So we have secured the key. Let's go back to this. Wait, let me make sure I haven't got it open still. Imagine that, just show it again instantly. All right, we're good. All right, guys, we're back to the infinite loop there. There we go. Sorry about that. I had to go hide it. Look, it's still working. It's looking good. Ooh, it's good. Good news. All right, so we've got this. So Rubri, here you go. I'll quickly show it off to you. So we've got the header here where you start. You'll scroll down to the next section, what I can do for you. Then you'll go to projects I've created, and then we'll go how to code, learn how to code with me. Learn to code with me. I think it just needs to be learn to code, not learn how to code with me, right? Right? What makes more sense, guys? Learn to code with me, right? Cool. And then check out my blog post, and then this way we're going to show off some blog posts. So let's scroll up. So look, you can see API keys now in a .env file, because, you know, Copilot helped me there, told me how to do it because I'm too lazy to Google it. Learn to code with you. Yeah, learn to code with me. There we go. That makes sense. That makes more sense. And then check out my videos. That's actually, let's check out all my videos. And then here, cool. So we're gonna have the blog box, right? or the post box. Let's call it the post box. I like the sound of that because it sounds like Mr. Postman. And then we need to actually get our post. So latest post is in our state. Why have we got some things in our state and some things not? Latest post. Oh yeah, because we were going to pull it from a... We was originally going to pull the latest post from... What you call it? My brain's hurting. We were going to pull it from an API, but I changed to using the content module of NUXT because it just works so well and I don't need anything more. So we've got hello world there. So let's get this into our latest post variable, yeah? So where are we? So we need the on init. There's a NUXT on init. NUXT surfer init. Okay, how do we do it? Get setup. This is not what I wanted, but it's quite fun. Oh, wow. I mean, that's pretty cool, but that's not what we want. So, is it in actions? Where'd you call that again? Oh, God, my brain's not working. Do you call it from within the index, right? You call it from within here, or is it from the layout? Do you call it from within the layout? Menu, store, settings, navigation. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Guys, it's been a long time. My brain's hurting. Okay, so NUXT surfer init. Let's have a look. How do we use this again? So, inside mutations. I'm pretty sure it's inside like actions or something. Plugins in the store. Ah, here we are. The action. Yes, that is it. It's just an action. So, copy, go into actions. I thought it was an action. I know what I'm talking about. Boom, NUXT surf init. There we go. If, yeah, we don't need that. We don't need that. So what? Commit setup. Post await get post rec settings await get setting. I mean that's pretty cool, but no, we don't necessarily want that. Also, there's this really cool thing. It will create a bunch of different solutions for what you're looking for. You can see it will like just pull different things. Commit, set latest posts, NUXT surfer init commit. It's so cool, guys. It's so cool. Okay. My brain hurts from looking. Yeah, I tell you what. Today was not a great day. It's so hot. I can't think, guys. But you know, we're going to get it done. We're going to figure it out. We'll get it working. So I need to, in here, I need to get my posts from post. So what we need, we don't need commit. Well, we do need commit, but we also need context. So if you see in here, we use, or content, sorry, we get the content from our data async. And I think we can do the same here. So if I just go, oh, commit and also content. And I think what we can do, excuse me, NUXT, what are you doing? Where are you going? I don't know where it's trying to go. And the request, I don't think we need the request for this. We just need to come in here, commit setup. Well, yes, setup, and then we're going to pass through the post. So the post will not be that. It will basically be this. Copy. Oh, I closed it. Oh, I'm a special boy. Paste that in there. And instead of projects, this is going to be posts. And created at descending. It's literally going to be the exact same thing from there without that. There we go. Boom. And I think that should work. So we're going to put pay, and then we're going to go state.latest posts is equal to posts. Oh, post. Just like that. And then our latest post should be done. So if we go back to our index here, you can see we actually get our posts, our latest post here. And if I go down here, we should be able to go dot post, and we set fee for post in posts. And then we need a key, which will be post dot slug. I think there's a slug in there. Oh, well, it's up to us. We can actually create it. Let me grab this from here, go here, boom. And this will be called title of this one will be like hello world. The slug will be hello world website type. We don't need a type. We do a URL, and tags will also be fine. We'll just do like those tags at the minute. That'll be fine. Boom, 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 and there we go. So we've got URL. We'll leave that safe for now. We'll just, we'll just say slash. Well, the URL will be part of slug, won't it? We don't actually need it. So cool, we got that. So then in here, we'll just go .slug. And then let's just, in here, just say post.title. Is that going to work? We'll find out, won't we? All right, we got an issue. Module build fail, unexpected reserved word await. Oh, we need asynchronous, don't we? So let's go here. Let's scroll down here. And I think we need to just say async. Content is not a function. That's fair. That's a fair assumption. Content. Is it this? Do we have to just say this dot content now? Let's Google it. Nuxt surfer init content get content. Let's figure it out. Content fetching content. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look. What's this saying? So this dot. Oh, we might need content. It might be for plugins such as async, NUXT surfer, and middleware. You can access it from context. I actually think this needs to be context here. So this actually just needs to say context, and then commit is going to be context.commit. Oh, guys, you need to back me up. Good to learn about Nuxt. I never used it before. I usually go for Dino and TypeScript. Yo, dude, that's fine. You use what you use. But yeah, no, I've been using Nuxt. It's so good. Like, I mean, I'm still learning it. Hence why I'm doing all this extra stuff here. But it's just so good. So that's how you do it there. This, but we don't need this because we're using it from a plugin where we use context. But I think context, you actually have to pass through. Wait, if we go back to where we were before, I think context is actually what comes through. Wait, NUXT surfer in it, NUXT surfer in it. Commit, yeah, that's fine there. But what do you actually get through from that? I think it's actually context, right? Right? Right. Dispatch, yep, that's fine. Context, let's Google it. The context, cool, let's have a look. So, NUXT surfer in it. Oh, that's not right. Go back. Go back. Go back, seriously, I'm not joking. Go back. Function context. Yeah, it passes through context, I think. Which has apparently all these in it. Universal keys, store, root, params. You know, let's go back and let's add context. Content module. I need like a... Let's have a look here. Does it work here? Oh, this is where we just were. Does it work? No, context.content is not a function. I didn't think it would. Maybe this. Maybe I was right the first. Wait, no, because commit is still a function. Commit. We'll pull through commit. We will ignore content. It should be. Should we try this? Get settings not defined. Oh yeah, good point. Get settings is not defined. Posts. I guess we don't even need that right now. We just need posts. Let's have a look. Navigation of undefined. Why? It should be there. Stop lying to me. State dot latest post equal to posts. Hey Tyler, big fanboy. Yo, what's up, Coding Fire? Hope it's going well, man. I'm just trying to debug this because I'm breaking things. Did it work? Hello world, it did work. Oh, that makes me happy. Cool. Well, that's how you do it, guys. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know why I just didn't use this. I didn't even try it. I just assumed it didn't work. But we're good. Broke that like button. Let's go. Yo, thanks, dude. Yo, guys, if you are here and you are, you're chilling, then don't forget to hit that like button because we're gonna have some fun. We're We're gonna have some fun. Let's change it to live chat. Cool, so we're here. Let's go back to XD and the blog. So we need this, which actually the same style as this without minus the box shadow at the bottom. Oh wait, no, it does have the box shadow at the bottom. Lovely stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go here and go to our home. Actually, no, what we're gonna do, just clicking left, right, and center. We're gonna go to index. We're gonna go up to our project here, and this, we actually basically just want to steal the same thing, and also we can't want all of this here. You see how that's a row? Yeah, we need to match that, because that we want to keep it consistent. If not, I'm doing it wrong. So I actually want to create a new row under here. We're going to create a row. We're going to say cold 12. Yep, sure. Nope, that's, well, yes, but no. Let's steal this. Let's steal this. Why not? Why not? We'll steal it and we'll modify it as we need. And down here, let's just take out this row, split between, there we go, projects row, posts row, and then this is a post box, and there you go, fee for post in posts. And this will be post.slug. We've got post.slug, post.slug, which is going to give us nothing because that's not actually right, but that's fine, that's fine. And then we'll say post.title. We actually are not going to use this in this one. What do? We get an excerpt? I think we actually get an excerpt. We get a little snippet of the content inside of that post, so we'll comment that out for now. We're not going to use it just yet. And then project.url should be post.url and visit. Oh no, what does it say? Read more. So this will just say read more, read more. There we go. Oh, and that should say post. There we go. And then over here, we just want to go blog, because it's the blog. And then we're going to go post row dot post row, posts row. And then we want to go in post row. We need a post box. Dot post box. And now, hopefully, there we go. Here we go. It's just going to do everything for me, I think. Just keep scrolling down. Oh, there we go. Object fit cover, yes. And then it's going to say object position center, margin bottom, yes. Border radius. This is what Copilot is about. It's so good. It's actually amazing. Look at me. I don't even have to remember the code I wrote above. Oh. Let's go to here, refresh. There you go, it's already done. Look, it's already installed. It looks so cool. Why do we have that there? Did I actually leave that in? Whoops. Let's just remove that. Oop. There we go. Looking good. I mean, there's no image. That's fine. Hey, what's everyone saying? What's the theme name? Everyone asked me the theme name. Guys, the theme is Synthwave 84. So if I go here and I go color theme, you can see Synthwave 84 is the theme I use on VS Code. Please stop asking me. Please, please, please. Ask Google. Ask. Look. Copilot. Yo, Copilot. What VS Code theme am I using? Here we go. What VS Code theme? Yes. There you go. It did it. There you go. Yes, your answer. Go there. It's definitely not. I mean, good job for trying, Copilot. I appreciate the help. You almost assisted me. Did you make a mock-up in Adobe Xd? If I've seen good, I just popped into your stream. Any chance you can give more info how XD works in terms of making mock-ups and then making code in visual form? We use Vue more, please. I'm using Vue, man. It's happening. Why is it doing everything for you? Because Copilot See here, this guy Copilot down here, he basically codes everything for me. He's amazing. He's literally a boss. He's so cool. I love him so much. He's like a little friend. It's like I got a jarfish, you know, like an AI jarfish just doing all my work for me. Yeah, so XD, dude. I basically got some shapes, slapped them together with a bit of text, use some masking, just some small little techniques in here, and I just laid it out how I wanted it, right? So I have a grid, if I can remember how to get grid up. Not that one. That one, nope, shift, bam, there you go. So I got this grid, I make sure everything stays within my grid system. Always a 12 column grid, it just works best for me. And then you can see here, it's all spread out across a bunch. And basically, I just follow the same rules when it comes to coding. So I'll just take, like, you can grab CSS from here. Like, you could actually go in, right click, copy SVG code. So you copy SVG or whatever. You can go here, you know, just... You can copy different things, but you can also look on the right side here and you can see you've got like the padding, how much padding this has. You can see the opacity, some other variables there. Like if I click on the text, you can see bold, the font name. You've got all the stuff in there. So I take this information on the right and then I will translate that into code by going into here. I'll lay out the layout however I think it will work. Go into here and just style it out, taking those values and mixing them in with thing. I'll probably change a few values along the way, like some things may not be the same when I design them, but that's kind of how I go for it. So yeah, that's kind of, you can also use this little preview here. I love this little preview. If it works, there you go. And you can actually see what it will look like from inside XD with your current viewport. So it's really nice to use. XD is awesome. I highly recommend it. It's actually free as well. A lot of people say you have to pay for it. You don't. You actually can get Adobe Xd for free. You just need to download Creative Cloud account and download Creative Cloud, and then you can download this for free. I don't know if this is actually on a paid. I don't even know if this is connected to an account. It might be connected to my paid account. Because I've got Photoshop and all that too, but you don't actually need it. Just to say that, you don't need it to be, you don't need a paid account. It's free. You can use it. Why don't you use IntelliJ or WebStorm? Because Copilot is all I ever need. Like, look, so say we've just done here, right? We've just done a blog. What's next on my list? So the next section is, who is Tyler Potts? So, who is Tyler Potts? Oh. You ready? Section, who is Tyler? And there it goes. It's going to do it all for me. It's going to be so good. Look. Boom. It's, oh, wow. Wow. It's adding some styling to it as well. It's trying to be fancy along the ways. Boom. Wait. Separator, and it knew what separator to use. It's so good. So we go in here and we just go, here you can see, we refresh once it all loads. Who is Tyler Potts? It's there. It's ready. I'm a web developer with 10 years of experience. I mean, that's... accurate-ish, not very. Gain fat and much more. Boom, and it adds it all in. It's so good. Do you see what I mean? See what I mean? I don't need any IntelliSense. I've got a Copilot who's here to help me code. That's a good info. I'm going to try it for SVGs. Yo, dude, it's great. For SVGs, I always use XD or Illustrator. They're vector-based web browsers. I mean, you're not going to pull an SVG out of Photoshop, are you? You know, it's you know how it is. I mean, you can, but you shouldn't. You shouldn't, okay? Listen to me. I'm telling you the good stuff. Okay, so we actually need to get an image for this post. I kind of want to have a default image by... No, I feel like I'd add, because it's me doing it, I'll add blog post. So how about I go and create... What should we have for our first blog? It's called Hello World. I'm just messing around. Let's just create a white one. See here, we're just going to export this. I'm just going to right click or I'm actually going to press Control E on my keyboard. And you can see it gets up the export. I export for web. And then I can choose where I put it. So I need to take this into my projects, personal, tylerpotts.co.uk, client, static, images. And we're going to create a new folder, call it posts. And inside of here, we're just going to select that folder. And then we're going to say it's designed at one time. So export it 2 times. Export asset, boom. And then we go in here, you can see it's going to be inside posts. And there you go. There they are. All in there, ready to go. We've got our rectangle. Oh, I need to rename it. Sorry, my bad. This should just be Hello World You can actually rename it before you export it, but I'm not very smart. Wait, is that one just... We don't need that one for now. We'll just delete it. We're just going to have 2 times 1. Let's rename that to at 2 times. Forgot to add that part. And there you go. So now, if I go back, we should see a plain white image here. Should is a strong word. Try again. F12. Why not? Oh, don't ignore all these. What are these for? Google Ads. I think that's actually to do with an extension I have. Who knows? Wait, are you blocking me? Are you blocking my own website? That's not nice. Oh, it's because I'm using YouTube here. That makes sense. That makes sense. But where is the bloody image not loading? Show me. Can anyone see it? Oh, there it is. Hello world at 2x.jpg. Oh, I exported it as a PNG. My bad. My bad. You know what? Let's go in here. We'll just change this to PNG for now. Shh. Oh, and this needs to be posts. Look at me making all the mistakes. And then refresh. Boom, there you go. We got it. Hello? You were just there. No, you've done it wrong. There we go. Close. There you go. So you can see it's there. That took a while, but it's there. Yo, what's up, Russia? I see you. Hello from Russia. How's it going? Sorry, I see all your messages now. Cool, yeah, true. I need to do a sick logging on mobile now, just listening in the background. That's cool, man. You do you. You get whatever work you need done. So yeah, let's have a look. So what's my design looking like over here? So I actually have the 3-stage issue here. So you can see I've got the colors change per which one you're in. So same thing again. If I go up here, I can actually scroll. Nth child 2. Copy, bring this down to here. Where's it go? It goes post, right? It says, whereabouts is it? Project box. Yeah, there you go. So project box. And then inside of post box, Mr. Post Box. Boom, nth child. There, boop. And this should just say D post save. And I actually need to do the styling within here. So we need to go. That's already there. I think. Is it good? Here. Oh yeah, didn't even realize it was there. Cool. So now if we had more of these, so if I go into my content, I just duplicate this. Let's just create a new one. New file. Let's just call this test1.md. And let's just copy this. Oh, copy that. Go into test1, paste out, call this test. Oh. Test1, and this will just be test-1, save. And we go back, we give that a refresh. There you go, you can see we've got 2 now. The latest one is here with the right, oh, the button is the wrong color though. The button is the wrong color. Captain, the button is the wrong color. It's the wrong color. And this needs to be primary. Oh, there we go, looking good. Also, the button is actually off center. It's in the wrong spot. See, because it's the button. Let's just text align left, right. That'll work. I think text align, not last, just text align left. Will you work? No, of course not. You'll hate me. Hate me like that. Saying that, I think I've got text align center here, but do I need it there? The only thing I need it on is my heading. I keep using Copilot Synthesize. That's not what I want. There we go. There we go. That's looking better. There we go. All looking good. Holy Albatos? I don't know what that means. Why are you using an image for a white box? Oh, just so we have a placeholder. Obviously, I'll actually add a proper image when it comes round to it. I'm just testing. So yeah, that's why I'm doing that. Don't question my logic. It'll work. It'll work in the end. And then we need a little bit of lorem ipsum text in here. So again, just under here now, I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna just say lorem 20, lorem 20, lorem 20, lorem 20, lorem 10, lorem 11, 12, 22. Why are you not working, lorem? I can see you're going to work like that, but I don't want that much text. That's too much text, so let's just bring you back to there. That'll do. That'll do. Tags, I shouldn't have to... Oh, yeah, because I loaded it there. It's a bit too much still. I don't want that much text. I'm probably gonna, well, I could use CSS to cap it, I guess. Yeah, that's good. I think I'll cap it to 2 lines anyway. Would think, yo, what's up, Samuel? How's it going, dude? Hey, Tyler, yo, what's up, Sing? And Trick Sing? I'm sorry if I butcher your name. Love from India. I appreciate that. Hope it's all going well, guys. What's the design in here? Let's go over here. Let's just have a look. What we're looking at. It's a light with, you know what? It's going to be the same as the above. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to CSS. We're going to go up to this one here. We're going to copy this. Scroll down and just between here. I mean, I could have put this. These styles could have actually been the same. I could have just had a class that did called cards or something. I'll probably refactor it all later on. I did save that right. I did. And there we go. It's looking better. I don't know if there's enough spacing, though. Do you think there's enough spacing? 16, 16. I think there's 16 between that, but I might add more spacing. But for now, this is good. This is looking good. We've got our new section. It works. I like it. I'm happy about it. Cool. So check out my latest blog. Also, this needs some padding down, though. We need to pad that down. Let's go up here. Let's close that. Let's close that and close that. In here, we're just going to go, what's this? Title row? Title row, and then we're just gonna have a dot. It already knows what I want. That's why I love Copilot so much. There we go, much better spacing. And then we finally need check out all my blog posts, which I guarantee it knows what to do. So under here, we're just gonna go, oh look, a new row. Oh look, a column. Oh look, check out all my posts. There you go, nailed it. It's not what it says in here. Read all my posts. You know what, checkout sounds better. You know, it's more of an action. So we'll go with that. It knows better from what I want. It knows what I want better than I do. And there we go. We actually need to add some margin bottom here. How much are we spacing out? 64. Cool. So let's go in here, and here. We're just gonna say margin bottom 64. It knows what I want. It knows what I want. Copilot, you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. And boom, there you go. Check out all my posts. It's there. We've got all this, and it's looking good. Obviously, there's no image. I'll need to add an image and stuff. Again, these posts ain't going to be actually there. We're going to delete them. We're going to write out some new posts. I've got some posts I want to write out. So there you go. This is where we're at so far. So we have check out my blog posts. Learn to code with me. Oh, in learn to code, we're missing the title row down. Learn to code. Why are you that? That's right. Oh, are we missing the title row? I think we're actually just missing the title. Yeah, look, we're just missing it to say title row. And is that right? Yeah, I think it's added to space. Yeah, it's added to spacing. There you go. So that's better. Now spacing's right there. You got to double check these things, because if you don't, you never know what's going to happen. You know? You never know. What has happened to that? Did I do that? Can you see the thumbnail? It's like all broken. I kind of like it. Oh, it's gone. I was hoping it was just, broken on YouTube. That'd be cool. Cool. So let's. So we got that done. We've got another section to do. So we've got to do the who is Tyler Potts. Anybody know who he is? Don't know. Never heard of him, mate. Never heard of him. It's probably some complete random stranger. You know what I'm saying? Who is Tyler Potts? Watch my introduction video to learn more about who I am and what I do. My name is Tyler Potts. I'm a web developer from the UK, but I create more than just websites. I love to teach others the skills to build their own careers while keeping up with the latest technology trends. That's semi-what true. You guys can vouch for me, right? You guys can be my references, right, in the future. I appreciate it. Cool. So let's have a look here. So we need the who is Tyler Potts. So let's go under here. We need the who is Tyler Potts. Boom. Who? That's a fair one. Title row, good choice. Who is Tyler Potts? Come on, give me something. It's going to write something about me. Look, you're going to see it. It's going to do it. Hey, it did. It wrote something about me. I'm a software developer with a passion for the web development. I thought it said for web development and game design. I have a background in computer science and programming. That's a lie. I don't have a background in computer science. I actually never got to do it. I did want to do it. It just wasn't an option for me. And programming language. I'm currently a student at University of Texas at Austin. I live in the UK. You got it slightly wrong. I'll take it though. There we go. And section closed off. There we go. And let's, come on, give me the right one. No, it gave me primary. That's actually wrong. It should be accent, but it was close enough. I'll lay it off. I need to update that, of course, but that's cool. I love that it just does that. It's just so useful. It's such a useful tool. Are they the same size? What's that? 24? 24. Yeah, it's the same size. It's fine. Bam. I'm going to stick to my own content, you know. I want it to make sense. Tyler, check out Holy Albatross for responsive card layout. I will have a look in the future, dude. What is going... Can you guys see this? The official break-in. Everything's breaking on me. Don't do it, computer. Don't die, computer. Col 12. Well, it actually doesn't need to be iframe. We're going for an iframe, apparently. No, we just want to... I just want to close off the Col 12 for now, dude. Let's just close this off. Thanks for trying, Copilot. We're not ready yet. We're not ready. We're just going to have... content goes here, just like that, and then we're going to have a Col S. Actually, you know what? This is where the layout becomes useful, because I remember I didn't distinctively make this in line with it. So let's go boop. So you can see here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then this goes on 6. So this is only going to span 5. This is going to go 6, but it's going to have an offset of 1. So in here, I'm just going to go Col SM5, but then we're going to have a Col 12. This is where you are wrong, Copilot. It is Col SM6 dot offset. No, SM1. I think it's offset SM, or it might be SM offset. No, I think that's right. That's got to be right. Image is actually a video. It was kind of right with the iframe. Cool. So let's go here. Let's have a look. How does this look? Is that offset correctly? Let's have a look if it's added the actual styling here. So offset SM, what margin left calc? I mean, kind of. It's a bit broken because it's using the wrong. Oh, I see. So let me just go to my grid here. Let me just have a look. So this math stuff is useless. It doesn't actually work. I didn't realize that is my bad. Map get. Yep, cool. So this is what I need. That to come down to my offsets. Where are my offsets? Anybody see them? There they are. They're right here. I just got to add, boom, grid size in there. And that should fix the issue. And it didn't fix the issue. It was... Oh, and also the I. We need a hashtag, and we need curly... That's not curly braces. That's curly braces. Boom. Boom, there you go. You see it moved over slightly. That means the class is working. It's got that extra spacing to the left. And there you go. There we go. It's working. Mind will be blown, I assure you. What? The Holy Albatross CSS. All right, let's have a look. I've been asked to have a look. Hayden's Holy Albatross is the technique to have a row of elements break into a column of elements at a specific width. A specified parent width, not a screen width. Like a media query would have. So like a container query, you know, those things that don't exist yet. Like a container query, that should be a thing. A container query should be a thing. You know, things that exist yet that we all want. I've used it before, although... Okay, let's have a look. What is it? So... Is it using... I saw max and width here. I see variables. I see variables everywhere. Is this gonna... Oh, look at that. It does break up. That's cool. I do like the look of that. I mean, I've got my own grid system, but let's have a look how this looks. Calc. See, it's not the grid system I actually need. I mean, this looks awesome. It's not the grid system I need, because I've actually got a grid system. What did I need? Oh, I was going to combine everything into one styling, weren't I? That was the plan. Also, we need to style up the who. Dot who. Oh, padding top, padding bottom, title row, margin bottom. Boom, save. Let's go back, and there you go. Nice and done. Who is Tyler Potts? Watch my introduction video to learn more about who I am and what I do. I actually need to create this video. It doesn't exist yet. Starting my NPN servers kills Spotify network connection. Anyone with the same problem here? Yo, dude, I have no idea. I'd have to actually see everything, and you know, I'd have to debug it all. It'd take a long time. It's not something you could just do on the spot. All right, cool. So we've got this. Content goes here. Let's get the content in. We're not going to have too much time left, but we can use... Are you using Copilot? Am I using Copilot? At mixing, Copilot. Oh, Copilot is writing. Why is that? I don't know why it did that CSS, but yes, I'm using Copilot. And oh my god, it's amazing. Look at him. He's so cute. He's just like my little pet, man. My little pet. Tyler's losing the plot. Cool, so let's go back to my design here. This is what we need. Let's copy this. Let's just... Paragraph. This is going to be fun. Fun, he says. Look at all the content I have to add in. Let's just shrink that left side. Why is with this? Why are you so broken? Stop breaking. Stop it. Let's break these. These are going to have to be their own paragraph tags, guys. So I've got to break all of these into paragraph tags. And because we're live, I can't cull it out. I'm sorry. It's going to take a second. Let's just go through it fast. Wait, Copilot, can you do this for me? Oh, I thought it was going to do it for me. Actually did. Wait, can you do it now? It did it? Oh, why are you closing the diff? You were so close to doing it. Hey? Ah, it just wants to close the diff. I'll take it. I mean, there we go. All right, and then we're just going to zoom all this forward. That's fine. There we go. I mean, it was close. It kind of knew where I went. And let's go here. Boop. Just like that. And I actually have classes for these, I believe. If I go to typography in my CSS here, we scroll down. Text sec. No, I just have that. Oh, good to know that I do have those there. YouTube. Okay, cool. So if it's a link to YouTube, it will do a YouTube color. That's cool. So we should see. Oh, I need to actually link it. Oh. HTTPS youtube.com/Tyler Potts. And then bam, back in there. And I also want a rel is equal to no follow and a target of underscore blank. Save. And that should in my... There we go. That's worked. I mean, this is not styled correctly, but that worked. So you can see there, it's going to style it for me. Hence, programmer. Oh god. Copilot. Whoa. Lol. Copilot looks awesome, dude. Robert, it's so good. I highly recommend signing up to the beta. Now, what is going on? My computer is dying. I need to update my drivers. You should stop using Copilot. You are making it more better, and Copilot is going to be paid in the future. Hence programmers losing jobs maybe. Hey, listen, I am worried about Copilot taking my job. Someone needs to be the brain behind it, and that's not me because I have no brain. So Copilot actually does my job for me. I'm just, just get to do your job for you. It just works. I don't have to do anything anymore. I just say, hey, Copilot, do my job. Come on. Chop, 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 chop. Send that email to Jeff for me. Wait, would that work? Send email to Jeff. Oh, here we go. What's it doing? We're about to find out. It's going. Oh wait, it's still figuring out. Copilot, synthesize Copilot. Come on, give me a solution. Don't think it has a solution for me. Damn it, Copilot, you let me down. I thought you were going to be the hero of the story. You were not. I rarely use VS Code, but I think you can highlight text and choose to surround with text. Yeah, you can do so. I mean, so, look, you can do this. You can. I don't know if you can like surround it with a tag. Oh, image credit to Unsplash Kenneth D. Wilson. Is that just a random person? Wait. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't exist. I was gonna say if that was just a random person it's pulled, that is a skill I wish I had. There's actually video as well, not even that. You get credit? No, it's not. No brain, and I am here joining. I am joining the waiting list. God, I'll tell you what, it's incredible, and I highly recommend getting on it as soon as possible because it just works. It works well. It does the job that I don't like. Why are you breaking? Leave me alone. Go away. Stop breaking. What even are you? What even are you? Oh god, the Cobalt doesn't fly the plane. Fact. Well, he can sometimes, if he wants to. If he gets bored, No, you know, if you want to sleep, that's when he flies the plane. But yes, the co-pilot does not. The co-pilot needs a pilot to be able to pilot the plane safely and successfully. Just saying, all right. So it's not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere anytime soon, guys. Don't you worry. In 5 years, once I've made enough money to retire, that's when it will take over. That's the plan. I have to beat co-pilot to actually getting to retiring. Also, I've just noticed it's actually only 5 columns long, and I have made it longer than 5 columns. So let's just not you here, boop, and it just needs an offset of 1. There you go. There you go. There we go. I mean, I think it should stop breaking. Stop it. That pilot job will be just writing a comment. Yeah. The pilot's job is just okay. I need a new section. This section is going to be called Jeff's house. And here we go. House, thank you. Container, row, yep. Good job, co-pilot. You're doing splendid, son. Oh, check out my house on the corner of the street. It's not on the corner. Oh, wow. It's actually gonna... It's asked for a house image. My house. Wow, it knows to use C image. Ah, that's really cool. Sorry, that's just a thing I did. It must know what sort of methodology I'm using with my CSS, which again is insane. See, look, Jeff's house. He's ready. Everyone, you ready to move into Jeff's house? There we go. The comment was done. Wait. Actually, good point. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Fly the plane. Fly the plane. There you go. He's flying all on his own. By the way, guys, we have hit near the end of the stream, so I'm just, messing around now. We're testing out Copilot. He's absolutely insane. Copilot. Oh, this is thinking. I'm a big fan of fly. Oh, he infinite looped. I'm a big fan of flying. I'm a big fan of flying. I'm a big fan of flying. Ooh, that could have been messy. All right, let's delete this. Let's stop messing around with Copilot. He is awesome. I love it so much. I love it. I don't know if it's a he or a she, so yeah, I guess can I come up with my own he or she? I'm going to call Copilot a dude for now. He's going to be a dude. He's going to be pilot. I'm joining the Discord server as we speak, Tyler. I keep doubting myself, so maybe this will help keep me motivated. Yo, Robert, I hope it does, dude. I appreciate it. Man, there's no chance Copilot going to replace programmers. On fire, who knows? Who knows? But it's going to be a very long time before someone can make a bot that can code better than humans. And Copilot already codes better for me. What am I talking about? So guys, so in today's stream we have so far gone through and smashed out some new sections. So we got the new check out my blog section. We messed around with some API keys because I accidentally showed everyone my API keys, so I need to fix that. And we now have a new Who is Tyler Potts. I've got to come up with a video. I need to style this text, but that's where we're going to leave this video today. So yeah, it's really cool. Robert said, would you recommend Adobe free or paid? I'm using the paid because I want access to Photoshop, Illustrator and all that, but you can use I don't even know, I have 2 accounts and one of them isn't paid, so I don't know if this one's run on paid, but Adobe Xd is free. So if you want to use just Adobe Xd, you want to rock in here, just ignore this dodgy screen thing. I don't know what's wrong with my screen, it's like going weird. I need to fix my stuff. But yeah, if you want to use Adobe Xd, you can see it works really bloody well. It's fast, it's responsive, and it's got a really great prototyping tool. So if you want to use it, just give it a go. It's free to use, so just get in there and use it. You just need to create an Adobe account. But it depends what you want to do. If you want Photoshop as well to manipulate photos on a better scale, and also if you want to use, Illustrator and just some other of the features, definitely sign up. Also, if you sign up, I think you get unlimited storage for your Creative Cloud stuff. So you can do that too. Pretty awesome. So yeah, I'd sign up if you definitely want to go full on with it. But if not, you can get this for free, so it's fine. So your stream is funny too. Never forget the nerd vibes. Whoa, I'm a nerd, dude. Chill. I'm a nerd. I'd take that as an insult. I feel like a nerd is a good thing nowadays. Look, that's me. I'm a nerd. I'm pretty sure. Come on. Look, I'm wearing developer merch. I gotta be a nerd, right? And look, I got a little baby Yoda. Like I said, only a fan of flying, not the pilot. Yeah, it's all good. So yeah, guys, thank you all for tuning in to today's stream. It's been hella fun. You guys have been fun. It's been exciting. We've had some fun with Copilot. He's been our little friend. Who is Tyler Potts? Who knows? Nobody knows who he is. Delete him. Just get rid of him. No one needs that guy around here. We've made some good progress. I appreciate you guys assisting me today. Copilot for now is just making new developers write the experienced codes. Exactly. Yeah, Daily Mail. That's basically what it is. That was really fun. It was fun. Thank you. All right, guys. That is the end of the stream. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, and peace